What's up guys? So here is a big news from Huawei because Huawei is going to launch its first 5G connectivity phone in December. Huawei will launch Nova 12 series with 5G connectivity in December. According to the confirmed resources that Huawei is going to launch Nova series in December with 5G connectivity. This will be our first 5G phone after US sanctions. Huawei Nova series has been a very popular and successful series since its beginning because of its price point and configurations. Nova 8 was the last 5G phone in Huawei's Nova series. Huawei launched Nova 9, Nova 10 and Nova 11 series without 5G connectivity because of US sanctions. Nova 9, Nova 10 and Nova 11 series connectivity was limited to 4G only. After US sanctions, Nova 12 series will be a first Huawei phone with 5G connectivity. Huawei will use Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset, but it's not been confirmed here that Huawei will use embedded 5G chipset or a separate 5G modem. Apple has booked all 90% production capacity for 3nm chipsets in TSMCs. For those who don't know about TSMCs, TSMC is a Taiwan semiconductor manufacturing company. It's a multinational firm for chip design and processors manufacturing corporations. TSMC is manufactured and designed SoCs, chips, semiconductors and processors for MediaTek, Qualcomm, even for Apple and Samsung. Most of the Apple's and Qualcomm's flagship SoCs are designed by TSMC. TSMC is going to manufacture all 90% of 3nm A17 Bionic processors. Samsung Foundry is also stepped in 3nm processors race. TSMC and Samsung's foundries are the only companies in the world capable of making 3nm chips using advanced fabrication process. Although Samsung has been lagging behind TSMC in semiconductors chip manufacturing efficiency, as TSMC is the biggest chip design and semiconductors manufacturing firm in the world, backed by Taiwanese government. Some experts say that Samsung will close the gap with TSMC this year with its 3nm process, because industry's major players like Qualcomm and MediaTek cannot be rely on Samsung's foundry, as Qualcomm sells all its high-end processors and TSMC is having only 10% production capacity for both Qualcomm and MediaTek. For those who don't know about 3nm process technology, 3nm is the size of a processor. In 3nm process design allows 250 million transistors per square nanometers. In this advanced fabrication process, Samsung's and TSMC's use FinFETs, MOSFETs, the most advanced transistors for the higher efficiency, low power consumptions. Higher amount of a transistor, smaller size of a chip counts lower power consumption while giving a higher performance and better efficiency. Smaller size in the digital electronics means lower consumption of a power and high performance and efficiency, but of course higher in the cost. So if you guys want to know more about process design and nanometers technology, then please leave a comments in the down comment sections, so I will make a complete video in the details for you guys. So that's it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out. Please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.